Well, hello, welcome back, guys. Well, I am at my new place, and I guess you guys can't see me. So let me turn on the lights. I guess this is better now. Well, so I have been doing some coding and shit, and I want to show my projects. And also, now that I'm in Pune, I can do live stream like every day. But the thing is, like, I have college and stuff, so I need to study for it. So I'm going to be fairly active now that I have my PC in Pune. So one of the first things I want to do is like show my project and probably get something done with Rust in like today's live stream or something. Like, I've been trying to learn Rust a little bit, but as you know, it is such a vast topic. Like I've almost learned up to I guess you can say, yeah, I have completed closures and stuff, and closures is the part where like I have like the most issues, I guess you can call it. The problem is like the idea of a function inside a line or lambda function. It's just so, absurd for me. Suggest me a free VPS for lifetime. I have MasterCard now. Well, nobody is going to give you a free VPS, bro. Come on, like, you at least have to pay some money. But the best one I can tell you is like you can go for their trials with the same credit card. I guess the maximum they will allow is like 5. Hello Gaurav, welcome to the live stream. Yeah, so like with one MasterCard, the maximum you are going to get is like 5 accounts. And I guess Linode provides 60 days. I have to check though, like I haven't checked VPS prices in days. Yeah, $50 credit, 60-day free trial. Yeah, so like you can get $50 credit, and if you check out their shared CPUs, 50 by 2, so like it's almost, there is no $25 one, but you can get this Linode 4GB VPS for basically free for 2 months. I guess that's reasonable. So how you guys have been? Well, thank you everybody. Just don't say stuff like fan and stuff. I'm just another guy. So like last, I guess 2 months ago, I developed this project called MDM, a minimal diary manager, and personally I've been using it for some time. So the idea was like I can make a command line application that will just take a message and it will put it in a database like a diary or something, and it will be automatically uploaded to my GitHub, so I can check what is going on and like keep a journal or something. Like the code part was not that difficult actually. The main thing I basically had problem with was some Git functionality. Personally, I only used this function, push function, and all these, allow dead code. These functions I never actually used. The main functionality is like written in my function.rs file. So basically the idea was like I will check for a directory. If it exists, make a file of today's date, and if today's day exists, overwrite some data inside it, and the data will be given by argument. So like let me just show you an example. So if I do mdm, holy shit, you guys can see my history. So like if I write something like hello showing mdm to live stream, if I do that, like it is like instantly it is making a commit, and like I can show in this pretty box. So if I go to my github, github.com, and I made a private repository called temp data. Obviously you guys can't see this shit. mdm is available though, so like you can see the latest commit 22 seconds ago, right? So the data I just wrote is here. So basically if I do another again, mdm from another data, loving this live stream, if I do that, like as you can see, hooray, the file exists, file is already present. So just ignore this message. I mean, I will make it like a little bit professional, but that's not the point. If I refresh again, you can see the data uploaded on my GitHub. Basically all these files are like the diary I wrote every day, and the commits are instantaneous, and the date format is like this. So like today's date is August 18, so like you can see 18/8, and I didn't implement any functionality for time, but I guess time is like listed on GitHub. So this was like one of the project I did also. Hey, you are a Rust master, man. Thank you, Gaurav. Okay. Well, anyways, I also made a project called SpiderNet. You guys might have seen it. It was for my PBL last year. Let me just blank the screen for a second. I will be back. Well, so I was showing SpiderNet. So basically I wanted to make a asynchronous device for my project-based learning project, and I somehow implemented it, but the async functionality is not pushed on GitHub yet. So like you guys have to wait. You can see some of the code on GitHub, but the idea was like I wanted to make a Wi-Fi router that could take more than 150 devices, and basically each node of every connection should be an individual connection. So like even if your one connection is blocked, the rest of the collection will not be blocked. And we implemented this, and we actually won the second prize in our college. So that was it. Also, last week I made my own NeoVim configuration finally. Oh, it was 4 days ago. So like I made this on Sunday, I guess. Yeah. So on Sunday I made this, you can say, NeoVim configuration, and I also made it inside my NeoWide, so like I can have some like I can have some pretty cursor features and stuff. So like there are not many plugins though. I have used, like, you can say, around I use like 15 plugins, and one of the main is like the WimWiki, FZF, and the Rust language plugin, and these are all like the LSP plugins, you can say, language server protocol plugins. So now like I have a fully functioning Rust ID, so like I can move to any project instantaneously. And just so you know, the syntax highlighting, not this also works. And I also added this functionality. If I want to like move between files, I can do instantaneously. So and also the thing is, there is this shortcut. With which like I can go to directly my WimWiki. So basically this is my index page, and I can make to-do items and stuff. And I wanted to make a list for my books, and I guess I have a markdown list of my books. Yeah, so like I will do that sometime. I just started yesterday your Google Cloud Shell Minecraft SMP, but I give it to my friend, and my friend is unable to break any tree. But okay, so basically your friend is inside the spawn chunk. So like it's a common issue and everybody knows the answer, but I guess you are beginner. So like I can't break trees or any block because I am in. So the thing is, like, you are the server operator, okay? You are the server operator and you have the ownership of the spawn chunk, but whenever somebody else joins, they don't have the access to it. So if they like move outside the spawn chunk, like at least 30-40 blocks away from it, they can break the trees. Like that's the basic thing. Holy shit. So like I have this many projects and I want to make a project at least that will that will teach me something. So I was thinking maybe like this is the time I should start learning some graphics programming with Rust, because that is something I haven't actually tried yet in any language. So if we take a look at my graphics book, so like basically this is my computer graphics book for my second semester. So as far as I know, the unit 1 is like basically theory, CRT monitors, pixels, and how graphics works on TVs. But from like unit 2, some interesting things starts. Like we have some introductory OpenGL and how to use it and stuff. So basically, and how to draw polygons and triangles on the screen and stuff. So like this is the stuff I want to learn. But the thing is, I guess most probably it will be in C++. I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Well, it looks like, by the look of it, it is in C. Yeah, it is in C. So like I can implement this stuff. I have never actually tried any OpenGL code or anything like that, and I haven't taken any courses and stuff. So like I'm basically new to graphics programming. So I wanted to like learn some OpenGL with Rust language. And I found out this project, which is actually a very, very, very good example of how to do this stuff, and how to link it with SDL and convert your models in for like multiple operating systems and stuff. So like this is one of the things I want to try and learn in this semester. So I will be here for at least 4 or 5 months, and my other subjects are like let me show you. So I have 5 subjects this semester which are important, like graphics, digital electronics, and basically most probably this will be my favorite subject of this semester, and a little bit of data structures and algorithms and object oriented programming. I am not worried about DM though, because it is just stats, like what can you do about it. But the most interesting subject is gonna be digital electronics. So that's something while studying, if I make another project on digital electronics, I will do it on the live stream. So basically whatever I'm going to do, most probably it will be on a live stream like this one. Also, I guess I didn't actually told you, but there is a inbuilt diary functionality inside Vim Wiki. So if I press space W, it opens a file by today's date, and you can write and save stuff in it. But I haven't actually used this functionality because I have made MDM. So I don't know what I'm going to do Anyways, like guys, can you tell me if you can hear me or not? Okay, so like this works. I need to add a shortcut, so let's do that. Perfect. So if I do space RR here, okay, works. Also, I like personally, I don't have that much knowledge about, you guys can say, I have no knowledge about data structures and algorithms. So like I took a course from Udemy, and I actually liked it. So let me just show you. Sakura and okay, I don't know where it is right now, but it was by Packet Industries, or you can call it Packet Company, and I learned a few things and too about Rust and data structures and algorithms. But the main thing is like I need to get good at competitive programming. So I need to make a tool that can generate a project in Rust for me with a template and stuff. So that is one of the projects I want to do. Let's just write. Okay, let's open our nvim and so like let's just do project ideas, and the first idea is gonna be make a project generating program for Rust programming, and also so like this scheduler is gonna be like, let's just make this inside this, or how do we make this visual mode, and yeah, so like idea implementation process to do. So like the idea is gonna be simple, you guys can say simple a random app to hand and I don't know what to write in implementation. So process will be in a like wake idea. Let's just say I wake up and I type the program name in my PC, or it will do it automatically on a VPS, but I don't have money to pay for a VPS. So like I write the program name in PC, it generates a full schedule for today and reminders. It sets meetings and sets to it in live, asks certain questions, get today's mood, give latest music recommendation. good, brother. Also, if also like, and after this it sends a minimized storage all this data on WhatsApp slash email. Like personally I am not an email fan, and also sends a good code along with it. So basically this is the idea I am going to work on. And how about we make this project tomorrow night? Like tomorrow I have the whole day to myself, so I'm thinking I should finish this project, and let's see how it goes. So the to-do list first will be narrating project and hello world cargo stuff. Then it generates a way to import JSON data, a way to parse JSON data in Rust. It sets meetings and diet stuff deep. So like writing functionality for which food should be eaten today. Guys, I will be back in a minute. Okay, so we were on writing functionality for which food should be eaten today, and also asking certain questions on PC each morning and generating a overall mood in between. Generating an overall mood in between happy, sad, excited, drunk, and happy, sad, excited, drunk, feeling like sort of wizard, and chill. Like these are the moods, and depending in these moods I will get a playlist of music. And after getting a playlist, yeah, analyze writing functionality to analyze the laundry and stuff, and gives a random but where writing functionality to check with you want to send mail/WhatsApp and make a bot person and messaging service. So I guess this would be all. And also web scraping code and so like most probably this is the like easiest part. Maybe this, yeah, obviously the first step is the easiest one, but the last one is also easiest. So basically Google. So yeah, so basically what we are going to do is like, if I do Oliver Bowden quote, if I do something like this, I get this quote, you know, highlighted. So basically I want this every day in a nice format, and it should be mailed to me. Like it will make my day better. Like that's what I think. But it is like a personal project, and I wish to complete this tomorrow. So I guess this will be the like easiest step we can do. So now generating a program for Rust programming language. I don't know what to write, guys, really. For a project generating program for competitive programming. What's this? So now I guess these are like the current project ideas I have in mind. But if you guys have any ideas, please use Zen code for quotes. Okay, what the heck is Zen codes? Okay, Zen codes, it is important. No API key required. Okay, this sounds perfect actually. Okay, Zen codes API calls are designed to be very easy to use and understand. The result is formatted in a JSON array. Pre-formatted HTML output is available in addition to individual plain text values. So the basic elements were Okay, so finally guys, I guess my phone just died, so most probably you guys might be like able to guess that my video is paused right now. So I guess I have to close the live stream now because I need to get my phone charged. So that's it for today, I guess. Well, thank you so much, Atharva Vakchaure, for this website suggestion. I need to read the documentation first, and I will definitely use it. Well, that was it for today. So I don't know if you enjoyed the live stream or not. Well, I certainly did. So let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.